Hi there, it's Gabriel from Clastify Tutorials, and we're back to your favorite series. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of math IA topics, and trust me, we've got some decent ideas that will not only meet the IB criteria, but also make your IA stand out. So, I hope you're ready, and let's move on to our propositions. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you will always be updated with Clastify's valuable content. Also, a disclaimer here, those ideas should serve as an inspiration, because it's always best to create your own idea. We already made a video about it, so save the link from the right top corner for later. Ideas I'll present apply to both Math AA and Math AI IAs. Let's go! In this IA topic, you can take a closer look at the environmental impact of plastic usage. The goal here is to optimize container design for minimal plastic consumption, using mathematical modeling and optimization techniques. You can explore shapes like cylinders, cones, spheres, hemispheres, and cubes, applying calculus for optimization. The focus is on the process of comparing those shapes rather than specific examples, providing a factual exploration of mathematical principles applied to real-world sustainability challenges. This investigation showcases your mathematical skills and highlights the potential for innovative solutions to environmental problems. If your desired IA topic is about population modeling studies, you can investigate the population growth of a particular species in a specific region. You could use data from previous years to create exponential and logistic growth models. These models could be used to determine whether the population of the species had increased or decreased over time. You could also investigate the factors that might have influenced the fluctuations in the size of population, such as access to food or other resources. Additionally, you could explore how the population growth of the species might be affected by external factors, such as climate change or human activity. Here you can explore the mathematics behind, for example, volleyball team arrangements. Reflecting on your experience as a player would always be a plus, so I strongly suggest taking this topic if you're into any sports in the first place. Let's stick with my volleyball example. There you'll apply combinatorics to calculate the vast number of possible player combinations in a team. Despite the potential diversity, you'll investigate why your coach might have chosen a limited set of lineups. This analysis involves considerations of player specialization and its impact on team dynamics. Additionally, you'll touch on potential research directions, such as studying the correlation between player substitutions and a team's probability of winning. This investigation offers a unique perspective on intersection of mathematics and team sports strategy. And here's something for you, Tiger Woods fans. In this topic, you can delve into the complexity of golf analysis, examining the mathematics behind the optimal launch angles and air resistance forces in golf shots. If you're passionate about golf and you used a golf simulator before, you can use your personal experiences in this research, as this would be a great source for it. By focusing on the launch angle and air resistance, discover how these factors influence the distance and height of your shots. The investigation showcases a visible difference in trajectories with and without air resistance, emphasizing its impact on the golf shot's outcomes. Find what angles gives optimal results and provide insights applicable not only to golf, but potentially to other sports like baseball, football, or rugby. Manipulating launch angles and air resistance on simulators can offer a strategic edge. Think about it and express it in your IA. Research like this shows that you have a deep understanding of factors shaping golf shots and hints at future explorations into spin, height, and release speed. Here you could explore the fusion of art and mathematics by creating graphics through mathematical functions. Utilizing tools like Desmos or GeoGebra, you have the opportunity to expand your mathematical knowledge and enhance your understanding of functions and transformations. As you progress, discover the efficiency of calculating function parameters, offering a precise approach rather than mere guesswork. This process will underscore the complex relationship between art and mathematics, demonstrating that while art can flourish independently, mathematics provides a clear and systematic explanation to it. To wrap it up, your goal here is to show the harmony between creativity and mathematical precision, demonstrating the dynamic synergy between these two domains. In this idea, the goal is to explore calculus applications and focus on finding the volume of objects like, for example, a beauty blender. Because, and think about it, expanding the beauty blender with water and using integration can reveal how its volume evolves when water is absorbed. Utilize mathematical methods, including the just mentioned integration to calculate volume, but also consider real-world implications, such as material usage. Acknowledge precision challenges in measurements and scaling, because that will ensure a consistent approach, and this is what you're looking for in your IA. There's more to it. You could experimentally verify results and explore potential improvements, like comparing the volume of dry and hydrated sponge. Write it as a practical guide, emphasizing precision and your understanding of calculus in real-world context. If your veins run with coffee, you should definitely explore the correlation between caffeine consumption and heart rate in this IA. Based on personal experiences, investigate the impact of varying caffeine amounts on heart rate using mathematical modeling to discern the relationship. Your study should include a comprehensive dataset, and after evaluating different models, it should affirm the hypothesis that increased caffeine intake leads to a higher heart rate. The IA strength lies in its repeated trials, which enhances data accuracy. However, a small sample size suggests the need for broader studies. Consider variables like age or BMI for a more general model. Potential extensions involve experimenting with non-regular caffeine consumers or refining the study with more precise 25 mg caffeine increments for increased accuracy and depth. And there you have it, 7 topics with explanations. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more engaging content. Comment down below which topic would like us to do next, or share your thoughts on these IA explorations. For a deeper dive into various subjects and to discover more captivating content, head over to Clastify.com, where we have tons of free examples. Your support keeps us going, and we'll be bringing you more insightful tutorials. Until next time, see you guys!